Are you on the hunt for an effortless way to craft stunning designs? Well, look no further. Uizard's AI features are here to revolutionize your design process. Imagine a tool that can transform your simple text into a mock-up. Yes, you heard it right. Auto Designer, one of Uizard's AI features, does exactly that. It takes your text, understands it, and then generates an interactive mock-up. It's as if you're communicating with a design pro who instantly turns your ideas into visuals. But what if you have a screenshot of a design you admire? Wouldn't it be great to convert that into an editable mock-up? That's where Uizard's screenshot scanner comes into play. It's like having a digital scanner that extracts design elements from screenshots and converts them into customizable mock-ups. It's your own personal design assistant, making the process seamless and efficient. And let's not forget about Text Assistant. This AI feature generates copy for your designs. It's like having a copywriter at your disposal, crafting the perfect words to complement your designs. But that's not all. Uizard also equips you with a user-friendly editor. This enables you to further fine-tune your designs, making them truly unique. Moreover, Uizard fosters collaboration. Work with your team in real time, share your designs, and leave instant feedback. It streamlines the design process, making iteration a breeze. With Uizard, you're not just using a tool. You're experiencing a design revolution. You bring the ideas and AI does the rest. So why wait? Embrace the future of design. Sign up for Uizard today and let your ideas take flight.